Hello guys, what's up? So in this video we are going to make an RC steering system again. I'm using these kinds of tire for my steering system, and also you need this part. You can easily get that from your old RC car, and simply you can put the axle in the rim of the tire. But if the diameter of the tire is bigger than the axle, simply you need a piece of paper for the increasing in the size of the axle. Just follow my steps if what I am doing in the axle. As you can see here, I am rolling it in around the axle, and simply I will put super glue in on it so it will be stronger and will not move easily. As guys, you can see my hand suffering in super glue. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my hard work. As you can see guys, it's perfect now. Not same before it was moving in the axle, so but now it's not moving. After that you can put also super glue in the axle so it will be stronger bonding in the axle and the tire. After that you need a PVC sheet and cut it into the pieces like that. Then after that, cutting the pieces, you can make hole in the both side of pieces and make a shape like that. You can also use a drill machine, screwdriver, anything you can use to make holes like that. And after that you need to make sure that the tire is moving easily in the circles of holes of the plastic piece. Then you need another one piece of plastic and attach that as I am doing in that video, and follow my steps to create a perfect and nice steering system. I'm also attaching another one small plastic piece for the strong bonding in the plastic. After that you put the another one piece of plastic, the hub holes in the same position in the down. And it is important to check the tilt of the wheels because you need to be balanced in the both side. If the wheels are tilted in some different directions, the steering system will be not work properly, and maybe you will face some errors like mechanical problems. Here as you can see, I am putting more super glue because I don't want later it will come broke. Now you need a wire, steel wire, any kind of wire, but have a strong not easily coming bending, and turn that thing in the shape like that. This is a little part of making the wire in the shape of your desire. Then simply follow my steps guys as I am doing in my video, because I don't know the part of name of that part, the steering I got in my old RC car. Just follow my steps. Here you can see it's really moving nice because I properly checking the tilt of the wheels and the gap in the wheels, then it's really working nice. Wait for the next video because I am going to make an RC Jeep. This steering system I will use in my RC Jeep, and for more videos and my next latest videos you can subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you like my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. After that I am putting another piece of plastic in the top so I can put servo in that. You can use servo, but I am using this kind of TT motor. If I am right, the name of this motor is like TT motor, I am going to cut the if we are the axle of the TT motor, because I am going to use that C. After that, putting the axle, then you need to make a hole in the you got from the TT motor. Be careful in this part because maybe you can hurt your hands, but me, I am doing be very careful about these things because I got more accident in my hand, and after that I can't work properly with my one finger, because got more accidents, so be careful always. After that, you just put the TT motor or any kind of servo if you are using in that place, then just simply put super glue. Super glue is life, guys. And I'm sure after I put very more super glue, it's not moving anywhere and not coming broke easily. Then I am attaching the receiver, and you can see, guys, it's really working properly. Power of this damn thing is really nice, and I think I need to use that more TT motors because it's like very strong in the steering systems. And I am preferring this TT motor instead of servo because these are less voltage and don't need any ESCs like that. So we already created the DIY steering system, so now we will make the rear axle with another one gearbox. I also got this gearbox from my old RC stunt car. Now I am rolling the paper around the axle and putting some super glue to increase the size of the axle because it was not perfect for the tire. The tire was little big gap, so I'm using super glue and paper. The super glue will make the paper like iron, then it will be very strong and nice bonding in the tire and the axle. Be patient and be nice to your super glue because it will give your project a long lasting life and will not let your car come broke easily. Just follow my steps, guys. You will get a very nice ideas by following this channel. So here I'm measuring the size in the rear axle and the front steering system because maybe it will not come good when I assemble the whole chassis, So here I'm using another plastic piece, so it will be a nice bonding between the chassis and in the axles. Also I'm using a big huge size cable trunk cover as my chassis, and I'm using more super glue. As you can see, I want my cars to be very strong and will not come easily broke. Before I was using only super glue gun, but the glue gun was not perfect for these types of RC cars bodies because after some time they will come like broken slowly. After making so many RC cars and some of very more failures, I started using super glue because super glue will not let the plastic come broke easily until you don't want. So this is my RC car. As you can see, it's working so properly and it's very fast, but still it's not too much fast because the motor is not perfect for the body. Soon I will buy brushless motor for this car and it will be very fast. See, as you can see, it's drifting, guys. The car is drifting on the floor and it's really fast, guys, as you can see in your video. And it's working properly, the steering systems, the rear gears, and I'm thinking to use this body on my chassis. It's a RcCar truck. As you can see, it's like Toyota or Ford, I don't know what is, but I will use this body on my chassis and it's really perfect for that. It's look like very nice.